Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be playing a game that I really enjoy called Brick Rigs. And this is the character, if I can zoom in on him. His name is Bob. Say hi, Bob. Oh, well, I don't really know how to control him yet, but Bob says hi. So I have a list of of creations that I want to play with today. So first one is the descriptions. It is the FTS art. How do you say that? Animus. Whatever it's called. So it's gonna be. Hold on, let me turn that down. It's pretty loud. So let me just turn it down real quick. Gameplay. That's fine. Put down 50. Nope, 50. No. Yeah. Hope that's not too loud. Okay. So the controls are. So there is a gun in the front. As you can tell. It's very loud still. Hold on. Sorry about that. Options, gameplay. Turn down some more. That's better. There's a gun in the front. Then we have my two favorite parts of this entire vehicle. Yep. Okay, that's still really loud. Hold on. How do I turn this down? Okay, that should be good enough. Okay, so just fix that. See, it's in hover mode. And we can move around. And we can fly. That's not even the best part about it. Then we angle my camera, press Alt, and now we can actually fly. Which is amazing. And this was one of the first creations I played with, and this blew me away. So, it's pretty amazing. As I already said. So, let's see if we can fly with the through the buildings without blowing into them. Or blowing up, running into them. Okay. Whoa. No. Oh, wait, what's happening? Oh, there's the explosion. Another thing is, this vehicle is very touchy when it comes to explosions. Like, it is right now. So, yeah, this one is very explodey. Okay, let's get out of here. No, don't explode, please don't explode. Come on. Ow. Just look at the debris. Just look at that. And look, these poor buildings. I mean, what did they ever do? Okay. So, another thing about this game, don't know the controls very well. Another thing is, here, let's get this thing out of hover mode and hope it doesn't explode. You can also just drive. So. It still just explodes just as much in drive mode. And if you don't want anything to explode, something cool about this game, you can put it into God mode. And no matter how hard you run into a building, it will not explode. That was my mouse disconnecting. Okay. It's still disconnected. No? It's not disconnected. Okay. Let's just respawn this. Let's respawn it, back at the airport. Okay, so let's show off the vehicle. So, as you can see, there is the thrusters in the back, the FTS on the license plate, and there's these really cool doors that I haven't shown yet. They're just doors. And we got interior over here. And then, over on this side, got another door. I know. It's so amazing. And then we got a steering wheel. So you can also go into first person mode, which I do not recommend when you're trying to fly. Okay, let's just close. Where's the... Man, alt mode. There we go. Let's go to alt mode. I don't know how to close the doors from the inside. Wait, what's this? Oh, I didn't know that opened. Cool. So, also, in this game, there are weapons and you can change your outfit. So I usually like the green pants with the black shirt. You know what I should do, actually? I should do the Minecraft character that I play Minecraft as. So let's do that. So it's usually just blue on... we can do... just do black. Okay. No. Bad. So yeah, you pick them up and they're just little packages. Also, as you saw in that same menu, there are weapons. And it's really nice. Let's see if I can... pick the sniper. Then we got scopes for each single one. Have first aid kit. Ammo box. Some more. That's about it. I couldn't seem to find any barrels. I don't know what that means. So, these fire. We can shoot at the tire. Oh wait, hold on. We have to take it out of God mode. Okay, so you select your weapon by the number keys. Fire, and this thing is very finicky. As you can tell, it's very finicky. Oh god. Lots of explosions. Get in the driver's seat, please. Okay. Come on, don't explode this time. You gonna explode? No. Oh, wait. No. Well, you kinda are exploding. Oh my god. What happened? There's also a slow-mo to this game, but it's not very interesting. What? Bob, what are you doing? Excuse me, Bob. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of that. Because that's pretty funny. Okay. Back to the game. So you hit P again, which is the pause, of course. It might be time to move on to the next creation. So, the next one I have is... Which one do I want to do next? Well, let's just show off this. So this explodes almost immediately, as you can tell. And I'm pretty sure it's a smaller explosion than the car, because Oh, if you just spawn it up in the air. And you watch it fall. Just speed up time. Quick. You weren't supposed to do that. Yeah, well, it just explodes. What's with this? What's with the frowny face, Bob? What happened? And I have the rocket launcher? No, rocket launcher. So, it's a very small explosion. But I can still die from this. I just do that. Yep, look, I died. So, there's also these fuel tanks scattered around the map. And so, I hit one a couple times. It starts to leak and all that. And then if you fire it, and eventually explode. Yep, it exploded. So, next creation. I'm gonna do the truck. That's fine. This is a FJ45. It's a truck, and it is by Shock Gas Heap. Okay, so spawn it in. It's a very heavy back end. I really don't know how to drive this thing because I just found it 20 minutes ago. So, looks like it has a good suspension. Yeah, let's read what it says. Okay, there is no, what's alt mode do? No, it's just a plain old truck, I guess. Here. Let's open an editor real quick. Wait for it to load, because you always gotta wait till it loads. You can't really do much. And then, yeah. So, this is a fun game. I think I'm gonna be playing this a lot more. Next episodes are probably gonna be a lot more scripted and everything. A lot better than it is now. Unless you like just reviewing creations and all that. Okay. Come on. That's not good when everything freezes. What's happening? Excuse me. Oh, it's still playing. I guess the game just crashed. Okay. Interesting. Okay, well, I'm just gonna close it real quick. Yeah, not responding. Okay, let's just open that up real quick. Ow. Okay. Okay. Play game. See, this is the main menu. So, you can join a game, start a game, and then there's usually just a little character here. There's either like a fire truck or a missile, or there's Bob, or a sunset. I don't know what he's doing. So there's also different maps. We have a space, racetrack, grid map, desert, Bricksville, City, and Canyon. And you can have either Conquest, Deathmatch, Sandbox. So, I think there's one that had... Oh, yeah. There's Zombie Survival in this one, and Zombie Survival in this one, and that's it. And then, let's go on Grid Map for a little bit. And as you can tell, it's a grid map. Okay, let's spawn in helicopter. Okay, it's not in God mode, so it's gonna explode. Alright, let's check it out first. Okay. Can I not get in? Fine. What? No. I don't really have the hang of the controls here. I just need to... Okay, I'm sure there's another way to get in here. Probably in the back. Yeah, here we go. What? Why can I not get that? Okay, let's fly it. What was baby? And away we go. If I can fly this. This is nice. Oh, and there's missiles, of course. Okay. How do I get this thing back in the... Okay, let's just turn all mode off. And that turns the plane off. Okay, or helicopter off. Bob's got his cool shades on. It's always good. I think we should close the doors, because that might be affecting it a little bit. I don't know. Okay, that's closing. Okay, and then let's just close that. Okay, now we're sealed in. Okay, that's firing up. X. Okay. I'm concentrating. Just try to get this thing in the air. Move the camera. Okay. See if I can fly without being in God mode. Ooh, let's go. Let's see if we can land on... No, let's see if we can... What should we do? Grid map is kind of boring. Okay, well, let's see if we can land it in the... Oh no, we're losing power. How are we ever going to survive? Oh no. Oh, miraculously it turns on, but it's too late. They didn't explode. Well, no. Bob survived! Just the nick of time, too. Here, let's help it. Oh, wait, I need to... Okay. Next creation. Let's just get rid of... Look, the endless expanse of checkered dots. Okay, now that's out of the way, and it's not making burning noises in my ear. Let's spawn in the computer, because... Oh, this looked a lot bigger in the, image, but... Look. It looks huge. It looks big. I mean, now it does kind of look small, but let's run it over with this thing. Yay. Who needs a computer anyways? So this is here. I should probably give credit to the 3 things I just spawned in. The helicopter is by Milok. The computer is by Blasco, and the truck is from Yoko. Okay. Now, why are you on fire? What did I do? You know, it's not as satisfying when you spawn on it instead of running into it. But, okay. So, it's tiny. It's very tiny. Well, no, it's not tiny. It's the size of me. Look at this. I'm the same size. I know, Bob. You want this so badly. Let's see. There's just that. Okay, let's see how much damage could... I don't know. I don't want that. A pistol do. No. Give me the pistol. And we'll just take the BR-15 as well. Okay. So, how much does this do? Shoot the fan. Not much damage. Did I put this thing in God mode? Hold on. No, it's not in God mode. Okay. Oh, but we did break off a piece. That's oh, it's gone. Like I just went, whee. It went to the map. Hold on. You still see it? No, I don't want to go looking for it. Okay, now I put it in slow-mo, as you can tell. So I am going to... Here, this is going to be fun. Take my rocket launcher. No, can I have my rocket launcher, please? I am going to... fire it. I'm gonna... Darn it. Okay. I'm going to... fire it. I'm gonna hit... What? Why? It's not what I want to do. Okay. Okay, so we're back over here. Let's go up there, actually. Oh, jeez. Let's zoom. Okay, you can see how big this thing is. So, let's get out the sniper. No. Where's my sniper? See if we can hit from here with the clock. No. Okay, no, I don't. Can I? Let's fire at the computer. Oh. Okay, I feel like blowing these up right now. Yay! Let's blow those up over there. Oh, wait. Reload. Okay, this is very ineffective. We need the sniper with the sniper scope. And fire. Yay. Okay, Mr. Truck. So if we really slow this game down, okay. I didn't fire at that. Okay, hold on. Let me go fix it. Stupid truck. I just want to do something. Can you not just stay still for once, please? How am I over here now? Okay, well. Fine. Yeah, Bob, jump. Bob, jump. No, Bob! Oh, wait, Bob. I was about to say Bob survived, but he didn't survive. Come on, hit it. Hey, I hit it. Come on. Oh, I broke a fan. Let's see if we can break that one. Oh, wait. It's completely gone. Now we can get inside. What did I do to it? Okay. Go away, seat. We don't need you. Hey. See if we can flip it. Darn. Okay, let's get out the rocket launcher. Kaboom. So. Oh, wait. How dare you fling me away? I want to blow up the computer. Yay. What is that? RC receiver? You know where this goes. Oh man, I didn't take it. Bah. Okay, let's go to a different map. No, I don't want to quit the desktop. I want to go to the main menu. That's very confusing. See, look, now it's a different one. And now we have Bob and Small Bob. Okay, let's go to the racetrack. I have a fast vehicle. Okay. Let us spawn in that. A 2021 Dodge Challenger. Okay. I was like, I'm holding the W button. Why are you going backwards? I don't think this thing does very well when it's... Yeah, the seat just came off. Come on, get on the racetrack. Come on, there we go. No. Fine. Let's go to the drag strip. Where's the drag strip? Here it is. Okay, teleport over there. Hey, there it is. Oh, we're at the wrong end. I think we're at the wrong end. Yeah, we're at the wrong end. Oh. I spawned on top of the building. Okay, let's just go down there. And break. Break. Whatever. Just go. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Oh, no. 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 Oh. Come on. What am I at right now? What's the time? 31 minutes. Okay, we can do one more creation, and then I think I'm going to wrap it up. Because usually our videos are 40 minutes long. Okay, this is a lost cause. Just go back over there. Okay. Let's get a nice thumbnail shot. Okay. Standing next to the car with, let's say, the BR-15. Put that away. Hit F. Go this way. Let's go down. What is that look? Makes me flinch every time. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. Let's spawn in the last one. That. Oh no. Wait, is it just collapsing? Just collapsing. Okay. Okay, now it's just melting. That is called melting. It's just, bye. Have a good day. Oh, now it exploded. Oh, now the front's coming off. How is this even possible? Okay, go in God mode. Respawn. Not underground. Thank you. Okay, it's WASD to walk, so. Right? It's WASD to walk. Oh, this is by Scrumptious. That's the author's name. Now it's falling backwards, as you can tell over here. Alt mode, page up to 100%, loading ramp, aiming. Okay, so I don't H, Alt, okay. So let's just leave it here. How do I... Let's not spawn it over here. Let's spawn it... No. Spawn it over here. Looks more flat over here. Yeah, it looks better. Okay. Let's put the Bob, not the character, Bob, on the inside over here. I thought you were in God mode. Why are you falling apart? You supposed to fall apart in God mode? No, I don't think so. So why are you falling apart? What? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, I understand why. Gotta get out of it first. Whee. Now. Spawn. Now. Might just blow it up with a nuke or something. Hold on. Okay. Now let's hope it doesn't fall. Or blow up. Oops. Ooh, what's this button do? So it's just walking right now. Nothing bad is happening. It's not gonna fall over. And just ignore that. Oh god. I don't like how this thing's moving. Or that thing is shaking. No. No. Just fall over. That's fine. Okay. Let's try if we can get that ramp to work. Okay. Alt mode, page up. Page down. It's not doing anything. Okay. So it says turn on lights, page up to 100%, and alt mode, page up to 100%. Okay, no, don't fall over. Alt mode to, I don't see anything. How do I, maybe it's just, you know what, I am going to, no, that wouldn't work. Mad at it. Okay, we're back inside. We're going. Oh god. It's not. No. Ow. Okay, good. I can get in the pilot seat. Jeez. Come on, let me through. Let me through, let me through. Come on. Ow. Just whack. Aha, I'm on top of you now. Yeah, it's just gonna crumble. Look, it's like disappearing. Why is it disappearing? This is disappearing act. Look, it just explodes. Why can't these walk like the ones in Star Wars? Okay, let's get the nuke. Let's blow it up real quick. And then we're gonna call it an episode. Or I could just call it an episode right now. Okay. Bye, map. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in another episode of Brick Rigs. Bye.